So a few weeks ago, I got a request to do a video from my friend Chloe, and she said, oh my god, please do a gothic look, please, I beg you. Well, who am I to say no? So today, we're going to be doing a gothic look. I am a little bit nervous to do this. I've never done gothic makeup before. I did have a little look to see what kind of thing. I've just got to do it. So Chloe, if you're watching, this is for you. Okay. Lovely. Just going to start by priming. Oh god. I'm using a new primer. Pore Blur. We want to look like a porcelain doll. Clean and pale. Clean and pale. I'm not going to use a foundation because I don't think I have a foundation pale enough. I'm just going to whack on a load of concealer. Just conceal my whole face. We'll start with that. Blend it in. I look so scary. I look dead. Okie dokie. Bake and Finish Revolution setting powder. I'm just going to chuck a whole load of that. A big old powder brush. And I'm going to... Yes. Well, dropped it all over the floor. Ooh. Take away any of the excess. Lovely. I'm also going to use just some of the Revolution matte base powder in P0. I'm just going to put it basically everywhere. Glorious! In a lot of the photos that I found of Gothic style makeup, they didn't have really strong contour and they weren't really highlighted either. So I am going to do a little bit, but not a lot. I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Contour palette. I'm going to use this one. Quite a cool tone. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm just going to use this smaller brush. I think that's about it really. Another thing I noticed, a lot of the girls in the photos that I looked at had really thin block eyebrows, so I somehow need to try and hide the eyebrows that I have. I'm gonna quite heavily conceal them, I think. I don't know. I don't have any like eyebrow glue. This is fine. This is gonna have to do. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna use some of this again just to try and set that concealer and make a good base. Make a lovely base. Just trying to hide them best I can, really. I'm going to use a black eyeliner to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to make them quite thin and sharp. That didn't really work, so we're going to use liquid. Yes! Sharp enough to stab a man. I'm scared of myself. I'm going to have to put age restrictions on this video. I'm going to give kids nightmares. Okay, I've got actual eyebrow hairs falling out. My eyebrow hairs are just scared. They're not as thin as I wanted them to be, but they're definitely black, so I think they're fine. This is not what I had in mind. So obviously, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using black. I'm thinking I'm going to add a little bit of red in as well. Spat it up a bit. Right, I'm going to be using the Saharan palette by, is it Juvia's Place? Or Juvia's? Juvia's? I don't know. Sokoto? Sokoto. Really bright red, but I'm going to be using black as well, so it won't be so in your face, but it'll be there. Right. I just said it will be there and the pigment's fucking shit. Why are you coming out pink and not... Where are all my brushes? Red like the blood of my victims. Ooh. Obviously next I'm going to go in with a black. This black is called Chad. Oh my god! I put too much on. You can't really see the red anymore, so... Black eyeshadow is really hard to use. When my nan sees this, she's going to have a heart attack. Sorry, Nan. I've got pink eye. I look like a zombie. I'm hoping this is all gonna tie together and that it's all gonna work out okay. Oh dear. More black. Oh, is there even gonna be much point doing eyeliner? I mean, really. I am gonna do some eyeliner. I'm gonna do a strong black wing, I think is gonna work. Can't even see it. Okay. Hopefully this will make me look more alive and not like a zombie. I'm gonna use some mascara. The great thing about black eyeshadow is that if you get mascara on your eyelid, it doesn't matter. Ugh. Some big, thick eyelashes to go with this big, thick eyeshadow look. Oh, shit. The hair on it now. It would be great if you could see them. Eyes darker than my soul. I got glue on my lip. So obviously I'm gonna need a dark lip to go with this dark eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go back and use the black eyeliner pen that I used because I don't have a black lip liner. So I've seen that they have quite full lips. They have like a really sharp cupid's bow, so I'm going to try and keep that really, really sharp and intense. Oh, well so far I look like a cartoon. That's fantastic. I've got this MAC Instigator. It's like a really intense purple. Oh, hello there. Spray my face because I obviously don't want this to come off. So all that's really left to do now is my hair. I'm just gonna really intensely back comb it with a hairbrush. Just make it a little bit crazy and a little bit big. Yes! I'm so happy I haven't got to go anywhere or do anything today. I don't really have enough hair to play with. You get the idea. Chloe, I hope you're happy. Give the people what they want. I hope it's everything that you could have possibly dreamed of and more. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to take this off my face. Mainly because I feel just scary. And it's almost slightly concerning how just putting concealer on my face kind of is my skin tone. But if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so you can see more of this pretty face. I really like the idea of you guys giving me makeup looks to do, giving me challenges. If you guys have any suggestions or ideas of what you want me to do next, then please just leave a comment below. And yeah, see you guys soon.